In this video I'm showing you how you can use multi-capture feature on Instagram. So firstly open your Instagram app and then click on the plus icon in the top right corner, and here you can go to your stories tab like this. And here what you can do is you can see the side menu in the left side. Click on the side menu, and here you can find the multi-capture option in the middle. Click on the multi-capture option, and what it will do with this feature is it will allow you to add 8 photos as you can add. So you can add 8 photos into your story, or so you can add to your post, story and reels anywhere that you want. So you have to simply take 8 photos, so like this. So you can take 8 photos. Now you can, and then you can see it is counted in the bottom, and here you can see all your 8 photos. So that's it, that how you can add 8 photos. You can also download it by clicking on the download button in the top right corner, and it starts saving. Here you can see, and now it is downloaded. So you can also delete it by clicking on the delete button, but click on the edit button in the bottom, and here you can edit all the posts that you want. So you can tap on any of these, and then you can customize it. You can add stickers, you can add anything, you can customize it. You can, and then you can click on the next button, and then you can share it to your story, or you can share it to your close friends. So that's it, that how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.